So I kind of missed when this was really trending. However, I still want to do it. So I'm going to try Euphoria makeup because I'm just like in a glittery mood today. So like, look at these. This is what Euphoria makeup looks like. And we're going to do that. All right, so obviously we got to start with the primer. So I'm going to prime up my face. And I haven't really been wearing foundation lately, but I'm gonna put foundation on anyway. And if this is too light for me, that is just because it's summer and I haven't fixed that. You know, it is a little lighter. This is fine. I'm really excited to try this Euphoria makeup look, even though I've never even seen this show. Because I'm just feeling like being a bougie, glittery queen today. Hair's getting in the way, so we are whipping out my frog. Alright, let's contour so I can look like I'm a snatched. I changed my nose ring to just a full hoop and I can't like flip it up my nose, so now I'm like, damn it, I gotta not get makeup on my nose ring. Okay, and we're gonna blend that out. I'm going to kind of cover up my under eyes, but like, I don't know if I really need to, because I feel like I'm just putting so much glitter under there anyway that it doesn't matter, but we're just gonna cover it up, I guess. Slim down my nose. Gonna add a little bit of bronzer. I have this like glittery blush that we're gonna just tap on the cheeks. Then I'm also gonna put a little bit on the nose. We're gonna add some powder. Then we're gonna add some powder right underneath the eye. Kind of down the nose. A little bit under that contour. All right, for brows, I mean, these brows kind of look more like on the natural side, but I guess I'll make mine kind of natural, but like, you know, still kind of short. So I'm just gonna do like the end here, fill that in. Kind of take it down a bit, brush it up. Yeah, I feel like that still looks natural enough. Okay, I'm gonna do that on the other side. This one looks a little less natural, but we're gonna chalk that up to my little cut that I have in there. My little eyebrow slit. Okay, so I'm gonna be doing this makeup in blue just because I feel blue feels right, but no. Yeah, so quickly I'm just gonna take some sparkly blue on my finger and just pat it onto my lid. And I'm doing this because I'm far too lazy to use a brush to put this on my lid. Okay, then I'm gonna take a little bit of like this shimmery minty color and blend that into the blue. Holy crap, this is a lot shimmery than I was expecting. You know what? I'm just like winging this right now. I'm gonna take this sparkly-ish, I don't know, that's really dark. I'm gonna take this not sparkly blue. And blend it out into kind of like a triangle shape. I'm also gonna take that under the eye too. Now, this is why I said I'm like winging this, because after I blended out that blue with the mint green, I was like, ooh, what if I blend out the dark blue with this mint green? I need like all of the glitter. So I'm gonna put some lighter shimmery up in my eyebrow. Wow, this is shiny. I have never makeup look like this. Oh my goodness. Obsessed though. Okay. Then I'm gonna really concentrate that like really light shimmer in my inner corner, but like into a point if I can. I don't know if I can do that. I feel like it's not even showing up. Okay. Still not enough shimmer. I also feel like I probably should have taken the dark blue up a little more. Then have this like really sparkly pinky blue highlighter, which I'm going to just tap onto my eye. Kind of tap in my brow. And I'm gonna put it on my cheekbones. I'm gonna do a couple highlighters. I'm scared. I feel like maybe I might be going a little overboard with the shiny, but we'll see. I'm also gonna get some on my nose, but like, we'll do that after. Okay, so then I'm gonna go in with this like purple highlighter and put it underneath that pinky blue highlighter. And kind of up in my temple. Yeah, I might be going overboard. We're fine. Then I'm gonna put it kind of in the front part of my eye here. All right, before I get any crazier, I'm getting a little wild. We're gonna kind of work on the nose a bit. So I also want the nose to be very shiny. So I'm gonna take some white eyeliner. I'm gonna take it, put it down my nose. And on my little button. Then I'm gonna blend it so it's not like crazy. Okay, then I'm going to put the purple highlighter on my nose. Then I'm gonna take the holographic highlighter and put it on top of that. I don't know, I literally, with like all highlighters, just want to rub it all over my face all the time. So this is just like why I'm so excited to do this makeup look. So now we're gonna take a couple different glitters and like a teardrop kind of under my eye. That actually might be a lot. I might not need a second glitter. I'm gonna add just a little bit of a second glitter. These are like really small. Just gonna kind of put them on the side here, a little bit on my cheekbone. Yeah, these are fine. So like this is crazy. Okay, gonna add some of this really fine glitter in my eyebrow. I feel like I probably should have added like more purple. And I'm gonna take a couple jewels. Which one? I think this one. I'm gonna put it right here. And I'm gonna take a couple small ones and put them like here. It's really small. A lot of glitter. This is like a lot of glitter. I do just want it to look kind of like I have eyeliner on, but like with this sparkly blue-black maybe. Just gonna put it on my eyelash line here. Okay, and then I also realized that they don't really wear like eyelashes, which is like my thing. So I don't know, I'll see. Like my eyelashes are kind of short, so I'll try it without putting anything on, but we'll see. Alright, so starting with some eyelash curler. I really need that like fancy little one because this one I always like pinch myself with. I am not to be trusted with things near my eye, and I do it all the time, and I just pinch myself. Then we're gonna put mascara on. I got little baby lashes. And we're gonna just like messily rub some. Whoop! Too messy, too messy. What is this stuff called? Lip liner. Yeah. Too messy there though. I guess if I just make this other side like super messy too. I don't know how people do that messy look. I struggle. I struggle. I have made a mess of my lips. I'm wondering maybe what if I just put on some like lip gloss and call it a day. Yeah, putting gloss on did kind of fix my lips a bit. I do feel like my eyelashes are a little too short. Maybe it'd be better if I did have that like weird fancy, I don't even know what it's called, but eyelash curler. It's probably just, it's definitely just called an eyelash curler, but like I need it. I need it. This is the final look though. What it look. The little stars and moons. Does this look Euphoria enough? Should I wear eyelashes at some point? I don't know. It's very shiny. Anyway, my dudes, I'm gonna peace out. A-Town. Thank you guys so much for watching my tutorial. I hope you guys liked this on trying new makeup aesthetics things, that thing. Let me know if you feel like this is very Euphoria. I haven't watched it, so this is just my take, but I do feel like maybe should have added more purple. Anyway, I love you guys so much, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and see you later. Bye.